Now we've installed Python. Now we continue to proceed here to set up this Python. So here's a part, Windows 10. You open up a prompt. Here you're gonna do the copy paste this, copy paste the path, so that the path is set to be able to know where is Python and pip. Uh, pip is a tool of Python. So you install this Python Bitcoin RPC module. Done. So now we'll move on to running it. Installation is completed. So first, you download the wallet. Actually, we are running it, I think. Yep, we're running the wallet here. We've and then make sure you sync. Then download the solid. Okay, so this is cheetah. So we're gonna download the cheetah software, which is release. We'll just get the zip of the software here, latest version. Go to this version 1.2. Then we simply extract 7-zip, extract here. We'll have it here. So you're gonna say that rename this file. Basically, there is a configuration file that's needed to be able to run. And you're gonna rename it just according to here, using that example file. So we'll do that. I'm gonna just rename it here. So let's say rename. Just remove the example. Actually, that's gonna be the file we're gonna use. Yeah, config file. And most important thing is you don't want that. You know, you don't want that password. You want something else. I'll make up something here. It doesn't matter. Just don't use a space. You use the numbers. That okay? That's just for security. Then I'm not gonna change it. I will use here, but I'm gonna change later on. So you'll be okay. So that's I'll copy this file to my folder here. So this usually is a hidden folder. So you need to enable that hidden folder to show up here. It's called app data roaming, and this is NewEnglandcoin. Actually, I have a working copy here, so I'm gonna just override this. Just make sure that I actually get the one that you saw. So I'm running here. So here now I can go to cheetah, and there is a file, actually batch file. I can just run it. It actually runs. Um, it should run. Okay, there's some errors here. So okay, so some password errors. I think we have to use a new password. So actually, I have to restart this one. And I was running it. I started before that, so it's old password. Now I have to use a new password. Yep. And then we simply restart that one. Cheetah, that batch file. Now it should run. Yep, it runs. So as I said, sometimes it doesn't run the first time. You have to actually close it and restart it. We'll do that. And also that batch file actually you want to modify to tailor your situation. So we have a situation that usually you can say, let's say 10 seconds. I don't want to wait too long. And I have four CPUs. Take advantage of four CPUs. So you save the batch file to tailor your situation on your core. You run it, it it actually will run. And you see that actually this first 20,000, it was mined previously in our case. So we're gonna run a second time. Actually, I'm gonna just to be safe. I'm gonna restart it. It's a window issue. I have to restart it and make sure that actually it actually truly running. So it hopefully it won't take that long. But usually if it is a running, in this case, it's actually check for the situation for the block. It's a if it is 2 minutes, it will start. If it is not 2 minutes, it's actually was stuck there. It will stay there. So hopefully we'll wait for a while. I'm gonna cut this off. It actually started. Okay, so it is started. And so the cheetah accelerates. So that means 2 minutes. It's starting to run. Hopefully we'll get some mining results. I have a full CPU, so there's a high chance I'll get a block here. So it's running it. It's cheetah running. And it's mining it. So the good thing is you don't have to use four CPUs. You can use two CPUs. You can browse do whatever your work. So this is good for casual. It may not be necessarily good for dedicated CPU mining because PC mining does cost a lot of money. The cost is high. So, but you can do it casually. And if you run, you know, if your electricity and cost is low, yeah, you can mine it. It's for a day you might be able to get like as good as like 500,000 coins. It's possible. Sometimes it's a reset. You can get them up to a million coins a day. Okay, stop. So we don't know actually who gets this block. It's likely to be this PC, but it could be other PC. We'll see. We'll see that if there's some other PC got it, it will have nothing here. But if we get it, it will show up. It will pop up in 20,000. You see, uh, that was I think previous that was our previous dedicated mines, not this case. We don't know yet. So who get this mine? Who get this 20,000? We don't know. But we just know we went through cheetah acceleration and mine it and then stopped. The way it stopped, it says there's new blocks coming, so there's no point. The ASIC is doing very good. We'll wait for 2 minutes. So that's I'm gonna stop here. So it's likely to be mined by us, but it could be somebody else got it. We don't know. So you wait for minutes, you see it. I'll uh, to summarize the whole thing is that the cheetah software is nice that you can use it for casually while you work. It works in the Mac. It's a similar fashion. In the Linux also works, and the Windows works. You can do your browsing. You can run this, mine it, and this script is Litecoin and Dogecoin or Bitcoin. It used to be the Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin. They used to be able to mine it in the PC, but nowadays it's impossible. ASIC miners, they're dominating it. The this is now the actually New England coin is the only coin we're aware of that it's in ASIC world they can still mine in the CPU and you can run in full node in your PC. We'll stop here. So enjoy. Hopefully you can do mining on New England coin. Bye.